Hey, welcome back to another episode of Arbor Upcycle TV. Today we are working on a project out of the East Coast Redwood. This comes from the Monterey Heights area of San Francisco. What we're doing is we're doing two big book match barn doors and two console tables that are going to come together. So we've already surfaced these things yesterday. We're going to let them sit for a couple of days and then we're going to start cutting the dimension and getting them all ready to sand and put the hardware on. And follow it for the next couple of days.